Hey everybody, this is Michael Cohen, the Tech Rabbi, and welcome back to another video in our series focusing on Microsoft OneNote. Today we are going to talk about the power of the pen tools, the drawing, the inking, the way that you can annotate, the visual presentation of your content. So let's get started. In OneNote, there is this powerful draw feature that allows for you to annotate and to document it to sketchnote and create different types of visual representations of information. It could be something as simple as just annotating to give a tutorial, to give a guide, to let people know how to be more effective. It could be something as simple as fill in the blank as you are having the students utilize that pen tool that definitely creates a deeper memory marker than just simply typing. It could also be something that happens in the science classroom where students are either labeling the drawing or creating the drawing themselves. It could be a Venn diagram analysis where they're looking at different things and their similarities and differences. However you go about it, you should just know that utilizing that pen tool allows for a deeper connection to the information, and it really creates a memorable experience for the students as they document the content that they learn.